This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Verify your Octavia's head unit supports Apple CarPlay and your iPhone runs a compatible iOS. Connect a certified Lightning cable to the car USB labeled with a phone icon, or enable wireless CarPlay in the car settings. On the iPhone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and unlock the device. This allows pairing and data transfer. Once done, choose CarPlay on the infotainment screen and accept prompts on your phone so the system registers the iPhone as a trusted device. Now you pair the devices. Select your iPhone on the Octavia's Bluetooth list and confirm the numeric PIN on both screens so they authenticate. Make sure CarPlay appears as an available connection. Tap it to launch the interface. In CarPlay settings on the head unit and iPhone, arrange app order, enable Siri for hands-free commands, and grant location access for navigation. Also set audio output to the car speakers and tweak screen brightness or orientation to match your infotainment preferences for safer use while driving. Finish by testing core functions. Start navigation to verify maps, place a call, and play music to confirm audio routing. Use Siri to try voice commands and ensure responses are routed through the car. If CarPlay doesn't connect, make sure the cable is Apple certified and undamaged. Swap ports or try wireless mode. Restart both the phone and the infotainment system, and only if needed reset iPhone network settings and repair the devices. This clears pairing glitches while preserving most phone data and gets CarPlay back online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.